Hello everyone, I am Paula D'Amico, Western New York's Life Gardener. What is a life gardener? Well, I help to bring in hope and healing into your life using the power of plants, herbs, and words. We are here in a beautiful garden created by the English gardener. So what can Western New York's Life Gardener deliver into your life? Well, there's a variety of organic sachets and syrups. There's home consultations. There's also a number of hands-on workshops where you can experience firsthand the power of plants. You know, gardening is the greatest gift that you can give yourself. It's the greatest gift you can give your mind, your body, and your soul. Yeah, it's great to be outside, breathe in that fresh air, catch some of those rays, but it's also great to get your hands dirty. It is. And why is that? That's because there's actually a little bit of bacteria that's in this soil, and that bacteria helps you to build up your immune system. Think about it. While you're gardening all spring and summer long, you're actually building up your immune system to fight that cold in the fall and in the winter. You know, thyme's considered to be one of the most powerful herbs that you can use in combating any infection in your system. And that's just one of tens of thousands of herbs that are here on this planet. You know, plants are meant to help heal you spiritually and physically. And that's what the Western New York Life Gardener is all about. I help connect you with your plants to help put you in a better place, to help heal you, to help give you a little bit of hope. Thank you for joining me here at Lisa Coppola's beautiful garden oasis. And until we meet again, take some time for yourself. Step outside and stick your face in the sun.